Hello guys, today I am going to tell you on how to link ChatGPT to Discord. Well, sadly, I can't find a ChatGPT for Discord, but there are some similar bots that have the same function as ChatGPT. You could also link this one and use it through your Discord. First is this Aiden or ANSI AI. Just search this link for you to get on this site. This bot is powered by GPT-3 to your Discord and Slack to answer questions on your behalf. As you go through its site, you can see that it has a self-learning chat box. It triggers easily to questions, and it trains with your documents, and even have sarcasm mode. Also, it is listed here the benefits of this bot, as well as the price of subscription. You can have it as a Lite or as a Pro. Here, you can have the option and have it added on your Discord or Slack. Just tap Add to your Discord to continue the process. And also, one here is this link, all about GitHub. This is about a code that you need to run on your device to be able to have ChatGPT on Discord. You can download the code by clicking this one and tap Download Zip. After that, you can run this code to your device. It would be great if you are knowledgeable about running a program for you to do it well. But also, you could follow these steps listed here. Those are the two possibilities for you to have ChatGPT on your Discord. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.